Just a reminder, when you do FOIL, you're going to get 4 terms. This term came from multiplying these two. This term came from multiplying these two. But this term here came from multiplying and adding, so it's very hard to see how to get it. But it is very easy to see how to get this and this. So when we're factoring, we're going to focus on how to get this and how to get this. And we're going to make a guess with 2 brackets, 2x times x. There's no question, 2x times x makes 2x squared. There's just no other way to do that. The 3 can be 1 times 3 or 3 times 1. So I'm just going to make a guess with the 1 here and the 3 here. And I'm going to check it now. 2x squared plus 6x minus plus 1x and plus 3. And this adds to 7x here. So that's not the right guess. So I'm going to make another guess. I'm going to leave the 2x and the x exactly where they were. And my experiment is to change the 3 to here and the 1 over here. Now, this is the only other guess that exists for this question. So it should work. 2x squared plus 2x plus 3x plus 3, and now I have the 5x in the middle. So that was the answer, so then you just say that that's the answer. If you have a question like this, again, it's got to be 5x and x. There's no other way to make this. And this has to be a 1 or a 2. And however, it's got to add up to negative 11. So if you do negative 1 and negative 2, and I'm thinking ahead on my FOIL, because by this time I know my FOIL quite well, so I'm going to put a negative 2 here to make negative 10, and negative 1 here to add 1 more negative 1, and that's going to work out. I'm just going to check it. 5x squared minus 10x minus 1x plus 2, and I can see that makes negative 11x. If you have a negative at the end here, 7xx, there's no question that's going to be there. One's a positive and one's a negative. And then you're just going to put your 5 here and your 1 there, or vice versa. Now, once you get going on this and doing the worksheet that I have, there are some other tricks that can help cut down on the number of guesses.